guys, welcome back to my channel and another video. In today's video we are going to talk about trigonometry. So it's just the basics of trigonometry. So let's get started. Right angle triangles. So basically, first of all, trigonometry is all about related to right angle triangles, but it is not only related to right angle triangles. Now why I am saying this, you'll get to know in the other videos of trigonometry, not in this video. So let's see. The side opposite the right angle is called the hypotenuse. We'll use h. So which side it is talking about is this side. Okay. So this is h. Why? Because the side opposite the right angle. This is the right angle. This is the opposite side. Alright. Next, the side opposite the marked angle is called the opposite. So, which is the marked angle? This. So, opposite to this is this one, and it's called opposite. So, we'll use O. And the other side is called the adjacent. It's only 1, 2, and the last side is this, which is called adjacent side, or we will use A. So this is what the labelings are. So I will just clear out what is once again. So yeah, this is always constant hypotenuse. It's just the opposite side to the right angle. This right angle opposite to it becomes the hypotenuse. Now these both may exchange sometimes. For example, in this instance, the angle is not here. Let's say it's not here. Okay, and the angle is over here. Okay, then this becomes the opposite, this becomes the adjacent. Okay, so that's what it is. So opposite to the angle becomes the opposite, opposite it was opposite, so it was opposite. At the other side becomes adjacent. Simple. Let's move on. Now these are important functions, or we can say some formulas which definitely you need to remember any which way. It's simple. Sine, cos and cosine and tangent are three important functions. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan is opposite upon adjacent. They are pretty easy. If you don't feel them as easy, here is a trick. So Katova sine equals to opposite upon hypotenuse, cos equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan equals to opposite upon adjacent. So yes, that's SOHCAHTOA. And here is the illustration. This is the marked angle x. Usually there are it is not this way you write x, but it was computer generated. So this is the actual x we write. Okay. Because for multiplication we use this sign, and for labeling x we use this. Alright, so let's move on. Alright, so these are basically the calculators which have to be used. This is FX82 MS calculator, and here are the functions sine, cos and tan. Zoomed in version is over here on the right, sine, cos, tan. Now there is also sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse. So it's basically this. Okay, I'll just tell you. Sine inverse. So it's basically like this. So here are these functions, those functions. So sine, cos, tan, if you simply click on these, you get this sine, this cos, and whatever. If you want to use the sine inverse function, you have to click on this button, shift, and then press the sine, cos, or tan respectively. This was just for a small knowledge base, how to use these functions on your scientific calculator. Let's move on. So this is actually the question. You may try solving this question. The basic hint which I would like to give, don't think this as a complicated question. Write down the formulas which I told in the starting of the video. and break them as a single triangle, it will become very easy. There are two right angle triangles you can break down to. So you may break down, you may pause the video and solve this up, because now I'm going to directly show the solution to this question. So first question was finding AB. So yes, I've taken ABD, the triangle ABD, from the entire figure which was present. It was just very easy now. So I have this 43 degree. I have this hypotenuse. What is this? Wait, I will write it. This is H. This is the MA. I will write MA marked angle. Alright, this is the marked angle, and the side we need to find is this, which is opposite. So opposite and hypotenuse we have. That means we use sine. So you have to write this formula in the early stages definitely, and I prefer even afterwards, because it will help you to learn the formula firstly currently in the early stages, and secondly it will be more clearer to which formula you are using. Avoid getting confused. So side x equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. In short forms you can write OPP and HYP. So sine 43 equals to AB, which is the opposite side, upon 10, the hypotenuse AD. So AB equals to sine 43 into 10. This is how it will be looking after you input into your calculator, and this is the value you will get, 6.8199 big value. You have to round it to 2 dp, 6.82. One thing I have forgotten here is CM, and this I forgot purposely so that you never forget it. Never forget the CM ever. Okay, you lose all your marks of this. At least this will not be more than 2 marks, and in that also you get only 1 mark out of it. So yeah, this is how you find AB. Now let's move on to the second thing which you have to find, that is CD. Here is the CD ka solution. This is the second right angle triangle ACD, where right angle is at the AD is 10, DC which we have to find, and we have this angle 31. Perfect. So this is what? This is not hypotenuse, this is opposite to MA, right? MA marked angle का opposite है ये CD, which we have to find, and this is adjacent. So opposite and adjacent, only one function, tan x equals to opposite upon adjacent, tan 31 is CD upon 10, CD equals to tan 31 into 10, and this is how it will look after you put it to a calculator, and the final answer you round to 2 dp, which you get as 6.01 cm. Simple. You have to just input this value into the calculator, you will get it done. No ज़्यादा झंझट मारी. It's complete. Last is finding TB. Again, the first triangle which you had to use, that same triangle it is. Alright, so we have this. Wait, I have to change it. Okay, this is the marked angle over here, 43 degrees. This is the hypo, and we have to find the adjacent. This we have find in the part A of the question. But anyway, so we have adjacent, we have hypo. You use cos x equals to adjacent upon hypo, and this is the calcica thing, and here the final answer. But here we also have one more thing, 6.82. Preferably not take it, because you may have rounded it, but yes, it's nothing wrong in taking that. You can take that also, you get the same answer. Over here you can see. Now why it is like this, tan, because I have to use this. So this is opposite and this is adjacent. You can't use tan, obviously. You have everything there. You have to use this adjacent. So it becomes like this something, tan 43 equals to opposite, which you have already, 6.82 upon adjacent, which is basically BD. I've written here 8 set, okay? So you make this as the subject simply by taking this up, this down. So 6.82 divided by tan 43, you get 7.31. Same answer as this, so it's fair enough. Yes guys, that's it for the video. There is much more to trigonometry, trigo. There is much more. You have to find the unknown angles using these formulas or functions, whatever you say. Not only that, there is further trigonometry. If you want to see those videos, then let me know. I will also send you or post those videos. Yes, but for this video, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please do subscribe, and you may watch other videos too on my channel. Bye bye.